Hi, my name is Austin. I'm a service technician here with FlexCNC, and today I'm going to be giving you a few tips on how to keep your chips flying and your FlexCNC running great. At the beginning of each shift, or whenever you top off your coolant tank, you always want to check the oil concentration in your coolant. If your coolant's too lean, then you're going to have problems with rust on your bed, on your parts, and also short tool life. But if it's too thick, then you're going to have problems with the flow coming out of your coolant nozzles. Between 6 and 10, so we are perfect. Next, with paper towel and light cleaner, you want to go ahead and wipe down your light bars or your area scanner. This is going to help with unwanted alarms throughout your shift. Throughout your shift, you want to check your HMI track for shavings and debris. Keeping it clear will ensure that your bearings have a long and happy life. At the end of the shift, you want to take the tool out of the spindle. This is going to help keep the tool from getting stuck in the spindle overnight. You also want to spray your spindle taper with a light oil like WD-40. When shutting down your FlexCNC, you always want to hit your e-stop first. Then you can go ahead and exit out of your operating systems. Then you want to go to your start menu and go to shut down. While you're shutting down, the light on your monitor will be blue. You want to wait till that turns red. This could take a few minutes. After the light has turned red, you are safe to shut off the external power to your machine. I hope you learned a few tips today on how to keep your FlexCNC running great. If you have any questions or like to see us cover any other topic, please leave a comment or give us a call at 1-800-837-2503.